Hello, today we'll discuss the new topic that is the total derivatives. Okay, this topic also belongs to unit number third, that is the partial differentiation. Okay, now first we will discuss the definition of total derivative. Okay, definition of total derivative. Definition of total derivative. Let u is or if u is a function of x comma y, if u is function of x comma y, where x is a function of t and y is also function of t. Okay, x is function of t, y is a function of t. Then we can express express u as a function of t, u as a function of t alone by putting the values of x and y. The values of x and y. Therefore, the ordinary derivative du by dt is called the total derivative. Total derivative. Okay. Now, the formula of total derivative. Suppose remark number 1, remark first. If u is a function of x, y, z, where x, y, z are functions of t, देखो, if u is function of x, y, z and x, y, z are the functions of single variable t. Okay, x, y, z are the functions of single variable t, then by chain rule I will write here. Here देखो, this u is a function of x, y, z and these are the functions of t. Correct, x, y, z are the functions of t. Then the total derivative is du by dt is equal to क्या मिलेगा, dou u by dou x into dx by dt into dx by dt. Correct. Plus dou u by dou y into dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou t, correct. This is your formula, correct. This is your formula by using chain rule, by using chain rule. And this formula can be written here in the total derivative. We get the same formula. In the total derivative we get this dou x by dou t replaced by dx by dt. Okay, this is your difference by using chain rule, this first formula. But by using the total derivative, here is dx by dt, here is dx by dt, and here is dx by dt. This is difference, this is difference. In the partial derivative, in the chain rule, here is dou, but in total derivatives, here is dx by dt, here is dx by dt, and here is dx by dt, and this is value of dou u by dou t. Okay, and this formula is very important for finding total derivatives. Okay, कब? If u is function of xyz and xyz is function of t, at that time you have to find dou u by dou t, du by dt, for finding du by dt. And remark second, if f of xyz is equal to 0, if f of xyz is equal to 0, this is function of xyz is equal to 0, then the value of dy by dx is equal to derivative of this function is minus dou f by dou x whole divided by dou f by dou y. Okay, this formula is also important. Okay, वो हम बाद में देखेंगे एप्लीकेशन में. तो देखो, we have to find derivative of this function f of xyz is equal to 0. This is one function in the form of xyz. Then we have to write the derivative dy by dx directly. Dy by dx is equal to minus dou f with respect to dou x divided by dou f with respect to dou y. We get answer directly, that is dy by dx. Okay, now these two formulas are important in total derivatives. Okay, now we will discuss examples on the total derivative. Okay, examples on total derivative. Okay, example first, find du by dx if find du by dx, not dou, du by dx, that is total derivative, du by dx if u is x into log xy. This is your u is x into log xy, and x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is equal to 0, plus 3xy is equal to 0. Okay, full stop. Here we have to find the du by dx, that is a total derivative. Okay, total derivative. So लिखो here answer, here u is x in bracket log xy, correct. This is your u, correct. This is your u. Okay, and suppose this is your equation first, and the condition is given. This is your condition, this is your f of xyz, just like f of xyz. Okay, and f of xyz, I will write here f of xyz, this is your condition, is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. Okay, this is your given condition. Okay, so here we have to find du by dx, correct. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, here u is a function of xy, u is a function of xy. First of all clear this, u is function of xy, correct. u is function of xy, and here we have to find dou u by dou x. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है, this xy is a function of x, xy is a function of x. This is very very important because here we have to find du by dx. Okay, du by dx. Okay, तो देखो u is function of xy, u is function of xy, and these xy are the functions of x. These are the functions of x. Okay, now by chain rule or by chain rule of total derivative, चेन रूल ऑफ टोटल डेरिवेटिव क्या जाएगा फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू फाइंड du बाई dx. करेक्ट, du बाई dx इज इक्वल टू विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस x. हाँ, तो क्या मिलेगा दिस u इज फंक्शन ऑफ x एंड y. करेक्ट, तो क्या जाएगा डो u बाई डो x इंटू यहाँ पे भी क्या है x है तो dx बाई dx. करेक्ट, प्लस डो u बाई यहाँ पे क्या है सेकंड वेरिएबल y इंटू क्या जाएगा dy बाई यहाँ पे क्या है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. वी गेट दिस इज योर फार्मूला. ओके, दिस इज योर फार्मूला. दिस इज योर फार्मूला. सपोज दिस इज योर इक्वेशन स्टार. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन स्टार. Now we have to find this value, that is du by dx, also dou u by dou y, also dy by dx. Okay, and here dx get cancel. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 1. Okay, then we have to find dou u by dou x. I will write here, I will drop this remark. Okay, u is equal to given x into log of xy, x into log of xy. Then differentiate this partially with respect to x. तो क्या जाएगा therefore dou u by dou x is equal to x constant log of xy का differentiation with respect to x. क्या जाएगा derivative of xy with respect to x. This is 1 upon xy plus log of xy as it is. Log of xy as it is, x का differentiation 1. तो क्या जाएगा log of xy. Here y is constant. Y is constant. Then we get this is dou u by dou x is equal to 1 by y plus log of xy. Okay, 1 by y plus log of xy. Okay, then this is your du by dx. Correct, this is your du by dx. Okay, now sorry, here the derivative of xy is also y. Sorry, derivative of xy is 1 upon xy. 1 upon xy into derivative of xy. This is y. X का differentiation 1 into y. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा this y get cancel. Y get cancel. तो dou u by dou x is equal to 1 plus log xy. Okay, dou u by dou x is equal to 1 plus log xy. Okay, then we have to find the derivative of u with respect to y also. Derivative of u with respect to y also. Here u is equal to x. This can be written as log x plus log of y. Okay, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में दिया है तो क्या जाएगा u is equal to x log x plus x log of y. Correct, if we simplify, okay, we get this. Now dou u by dou y is equal to क्या जाएगा उसका डिफरेंशिएशन 0. यहाँ पे log y का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा 1 by y. x as it is, तो we get x by y. We get x by y. Okay, now dou u by dou x is equal to 1 plus log xy and dou u by dou y is x upon y. Okay, this is dou. This is dou. Okay, now also here f of x comma y is given. This is your f of x y z. Here f of x y z, f of x y z, this is your f of x y z is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy. Therefore this dy by dx, we have to find dy by dx. क्या जाएगा therefore dy by dx is equal to minus dou f upon dou x whole divided by dou f upon dou y. Okay. Now derivative of this with respect to x क्या जाएगा? derivative of this with respect to x, x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव 3x स्क्वायर, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 प्लस 3, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? प्लस 3, करेक्ट, होल डिवाइड बाय with respect to y, with respect to y 3y स्क्वायर प्लस यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? हाँ, with respect to x 3y and with respect to y क्या जाएगा? 3x, करेक्ट, उसे माइनस साइन. ओके, देन टेक दिस 3 आउटसाइड and get cancel. क्या बचेगा? therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 3 get cancel x square plus y divided by y square plus x. Okay, this is your dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. Okay, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x 3x स्क्वायर प्लस उसका क्या जाएगा? with respect to x 3y, यहाँ पे भी सेम. ओके, with respect to y 3y स्क्वायर प्लस 3x. ओके, we get this. Now we get all these values, put all these value in equation star. Okay, in equation star I will write equation here. Therefore equation star becomes, put all the equation I will write here, तो डायरेक्ट इक्वेशन आएगा आपके पास. Okay, therefore equation star becomes this is your equation star. Now put all these values. du by dx is equal to the value of dou u by dou x. Value of dou u by dou x is 1 plus log xy, correct, into this is 1, value of this is 1. Okay, then the value of this is minus value of dou u by dou y, this is x by y, into value of dy by dx, this is x square plus y whole divided by y square plus x, and this is your required answer. Okay, put all these values in equation star, we get the required answer, and this is your answer of du by dx. ओके, समझ में आएगा? तो फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हमें फाइंड क्या करना है. देन आफ्टर दैट हियर u is function of xy, and this xy is the function of x. Okay, this is your example first from total derivative. Now I will give example second for homework to you. Try to solve at home. Example second. Find dou z by dou x. Find dz by dx, not dou. If z is equal to x square y and x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, try at home. This example second, try at home. Okay, now this is all about the total derivative. Okay, here this topic is over, that is total derivative. Try to solve maximum examples on the same topic at home. Okay.